Problematic is basically a massive test question bank that teachers can pull from. It's very, very helpful if you have to prepare students for a standardized test. For example, I teach biology in Pennsylvania, and all biology students in Pennsylvania need to pass the Keystone exam. So I find myself trying to find questions from this website quite often. So if we go ahead and click on Problematic, now you do have to create an account, but it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. Now I'm going to show you how to create an assessment using Problematic. So if we're going to click Create up at the top, okay. So here are all of the different states that are represented in Problematic. You could pull questions from the New York Regents exams as well, and I found these questions to be very, very helpful. I'm in Pennsylvania, so I'll click PA. So if you're a math teacher, you can go and search questions on topics. We also have science and social studies. I'm going to click on science. And I teach biology, which is life science, so I'm going to expand that. So here's all the different topics in life science. So let's say that I'm in a unit on genetics. So here's all the questions that it is able to find for me. Right? If I like the question, I can simply go ahead and add it. That one. Do this and this. Alright, once I feel like I've added enough questions, I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. Now over here, once I'm done selecting questions, I can go ahead and click on the Arrange tab. Right? I can change the order of the questions if I would like them in a certain order. If I go to Format, right, I usually like them in the 2-column format. Right? But you can change lots of options in this screen just to make it to look the way that you want. Once you're happy with the appearance, you simply click Make PDF. Right? It'll generate a PDF file with your test questions that you selected, along with an answer key over here. Right? You could simply just go ahead and then download this PDF and print it out and give it to your students to take. Right? If your school district ever decides to subscribe to Problematic, you can actually, they will convert the questions into a Google form, which you can post directly to your Google Classroom, which I thought was very, very interesting. Our school district hasn't subscribed to it, so this isn't an option for us. They actually just rolled out this feature last week, so it's something I'm definitely want to bring up at the next meeting because I think it could be beneficial for a lot of teachers. But that's Problematic. Hope it was helpful. Thank you.